Hi everyone, I'm Tim, and today I'll be going through a basic DOS attack on a simple Apache web hosted web page. So I'm using Ubuntu running on WSL to host this web page, and I'm using Kali to actually do the DOS attack, which is running on VirtualBox. So you can see here, this web page, just a simple one I made, is available. My IP address, you can see here. I also have it available in our Kali virtual environment. And you can see I have Wireshark here, which is capturing traffic on WSL on HTTP. So when I refresh my page, it makes a request, and you can see it here. And this will be useful now, you'll see in a minute, for our actual DOS attack. Now, in order to get this able to show from WSL, I actually have to do some port forwarding. So you can see any traffic directed at my PC is redirected to WSL on port 80. And if you have Ubuntu running on virtual machine, VirtualBox, this shouldn't be an issue. It's because I'm using WSL. So let's get on to the DOS. So we're using low orbit iron cannon, and you can see I have the IP address set here already. So lock it in, set this mesh to HTTP, and let's DOS it. Here we go. Now you can see a whole bunch of traffic coming through. And you can see there's about 11,000 requests in that short amount of time. And it's obviously bad because this slows down your system. It puts a lot of strain on your server, which is not good for other users trying to use that server at the same time, because it'll be very slow for them. And this is also bad for if you have cloud computing, because I mean this could rack up a very big bill using all their CPU power and that for all these requests coming through. So how can we mitigate this? Well, I have a couple things set down here in a markdown file, which I'll put in the bottom. And there's a few different things. You can rate limit. So there's rate limit with mod evasive and IP tables, and use that in conjunction with UFW, which is a firewall system. And then you can also adjust some Apache settings to only allow a few connections at once, and you can monitor traffic, obviously, to see what's happening, what's causing issues. So let's do all of these. So let's enable mod evasive, and before I do the rest, I want to show you how this works, because how we have it set is that we can run this, and now you just gotta let it go for a little bit, because after about 10 seconds, as I have it set, it will see that this is an issue, and it will block my IP, and you'll see that this will crash. So give it a few seconds. There we go, and it has crashed. So you've got a whole bunch of errors, and that's because of mod evasive. So, but that's not good enough, because there was still a lot of requests that came through. So let's restart this, put back in our IP address, lock on, HTTP, and let's enable the rest. So let's set our rate limits. Copy. Cool, and let's start the firewall. Cool, now with that set, let's attack again. Oh, it's already having issues. You can see it's only allowing in a few at a time because of the rate limit that we set for IP tables, and the firewall is not happy, so it is, every time I make a request, it's making it slower and slower, and eventually I will get blacklisted. So yes, thank you for this is my demo, and have a good day.